Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install WordPress in Namecheap cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in namecheap.com and I found a guide on how to install WordPress. Installing WordPress automatically. So the first step is log into your cPanel. After that, select the Softaculous Apps installer icon. Namecheap users can follow this guide to installing Softaculous. After that, click the WordPress logo. Click Install tab to proceed. On this page, you'll need to fill out the details of your WordPress installation. Choose the domain. Enter the domain you wish to install WordPress on. Specify the root folder for installation. The directory field is empty by default. Leaving this way, WordPress assumes you're using WordPress on your website. For instance, your domain.com, you may install it to a subfolder if just your blog will be powered by WordPress. For example, your domain.com/blog. Type blog in this field. Database name can be left as default. The default WP table prefix can remain, but for increased security, we recommend to changing it to something unique like WP website name. Fill the site settings. You can change these at any time as needed. Hit install when you are ready. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.